Good morning, second graders. I'm going to go over a couple of slides with you and your practice directions, and then I'll let you get started on your math slides for today. This is a slide that was actually on Tuesday. It's a good one to go back to and just double check some things. So on this slide, it just is a reminder of our vocabulary words: quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, and triangle. And everybody knows triangle, but quadrilateral, pentagon, and hexagon, we just don't say them very often. So this is a good chart just to remind you that a quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 vertices. A pentagon has 5, and a hexagon has 6. So if you forget how many sides a quadrilateral has, or a pentagon, or a hexagon, or if you're counting angles and you're not sure what to name the shape, you can just come back to slide 5, and double check your work. Let me clear this. Then the other slide, and this is about today's lesson, is that let me clear that. We've talked a lot about faces, edges, vertices. Today we're going to add the idea of angle in. So anytime 2 sides meet, they form an angle on the inside right there. And there's the other half of that angle on the outside. Okay, let me clear that. So when 2 sides of a shape meet, they form an angle. This shape has 3 angles, 3 spots where the sides meet. And angle and vertices are very close to being the same thing. You can kind of think of them that way as you count them, but there are some differences. So let's go ahead and look at your practice. But again, this slide is going to be important to come back to if you ever get stuck. All right, so practice number 1. It says drag a circle over each angle in the shape, then type in the number of angles you found. And then the last thing is you place this circle over what the name of this shape is. So remember, when 2 sides meet, it forms an angle. So I'm going to drag a circle and put it right over top of there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. And then in here, I'm going to put in, there are 3 angles in this shape. And then I'm going to click the circle, and I don't even have to go back and look. I know 3 sides creates a triangle. And you're going to do that for 5 different slides. Make sure you do them all. Drag the circles over each angle. Any place where 2 sides meet. Type in the number of angles you found, and then drive the big oval over whether it's a pentagon, 5 sides, or 5 angles, triangle is 3, hexagon is 6, and quadrilateral is 4. All right, good luck today.